Now we will begin with the second part of the first practical. In the first practical, in which we saw how to keep that LED light of this microcontroller, which is fixed at pin number 2, to keep it on or to keep it off. Now in this program, we're gonna see, or we're gonna make this LED light which is present on this microcontroller pin number 2. We simply will try to blink it, okay, and for that we're gonna write a code, but before that we have to connect it to our system. So with the help of this wire we have connected it, and with the help of this cable we already have connected as we did in first practical. And as you already have written one practical, you already have run first code, so you do not need to flash it again. We simply write code to make it blink or blinking, and we will run it. And so let's see the code. So here is the code which I have written. Now I will explain it and then we'll run it, and we'll show you all that now how our LED starts to blink. The very first line of this program you all can see is from machine import pin. This already have explained in first program which we did last time. And now the second line which is written over there is from time import sleep. Now what does sleep means? Sleep simply means to make it wait. Okay, for example, your light turn on, off, on, off, on. So what we are doing here, basically we are making a light to turn on, we are making it to wait for some time, then again off, on, wait, off, wait, on, wait, off, wait. So as I said, that sleep is nothing but to make it wait or to make it sleep. So that's, and sleep, wait is nothing but part of time, so that's why we need to import it from time. So this is how we have that is the reason we have written the second line. The first line, so I already have explained, from machine import pin, because we are going to take the data of pins attached on our board. And then from time import sleep, because we need to make it sleep, we need to make it wait for some time in order to make it blinking. Now the third line which I have written over there is LED is equals to pin bracket 2 comma pin dot out. It is same as the previous program, in which we simply have declared one variable LED, and that LED is attached at pin number 2, and that LED is giving you an output, that pin is giving you an output. So that's why we have written LED is equals to pin and bracket 2 comma dot pin dot out. When I say output or input, let me just give one example. For example, you can see objects, right? So your eyes act like an input device, right? You can see the objects, but you, until and unless you tell what the object is, the person will not get to know. The person will get to know when you said. So you're using your mouth to give the answer. So your mouth is an output device. Similarly, you have LED attached on your board, but until and unless it gets on or off, you cannot see it, will not get to know. So it is giving you an output. So that LED is an output device. Like sensors are an input device, this senses the data, whereas LED is an output device. It is something that you will get data from. Okay, so that's why it is an output device. Now LED is equals to a pin attached at 2 comma pin dot out. It is understood. Now next line is while true. Again, as long as your code is error free and running, the following lines which is written after while true, all those following lines should run. Now what are those lines? The first line is LED dot value within bracket 1. I already have told that 1 means on, 0 means off for LED. Now here LED dot value 1 will make it to turn on. Okay, so the all LED light will turn on. And then after that I have written sleep 1 means sleep, wait for 1 second. Okay, so LED light will turn on, it will wait for 1 second, means it will remain on for 1 second, and then after that LED dot value 0 means it will go off, and again sleep 1 is written, means again it should wait for 1 second. So what's happening here, that what's happening in this program is your LED is getting on for 1 second, then it is getting off for 1 second, again it is getting on for 1 second, it is getting off for 1 second, and it is repeated. as long as your program is running, as long as there is no error in your code. Now if we want your LED to blink faster, you can simply reduce the sleep value. Means if you have written the place where you have written 1 after sleep, you can change that 1 to smaller value, and then your LED's blinking will be faster. So let me show you all the output first of all. So I'll just click on that play button, or you can use function ESP32. Okay, now I clicked over there, and I will show you all my microcontroller just kept here. Now if you all can see, it is getting on, off, on for 1 second, off for 1 second, on for 1 second, off for 1 second. Now let me simply change the value of sleep and will show you all the variation. Okay, so I will change it to 3 so that you all can observe it. Okay, now again I'm clicking on this run button. Now you'll just observe it. So what's happening over there? It is kept on for 3 seconds, off for 1 second, on for 3 seconds, off for 1 second, on for 3 seconds, and it is repeated. So our second program is also done.